YouTube, what is up? It is the anonymous sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, back with another video for you guys today, man. So you read the title and you saw the thumbnail, you know what it is. I do have a little bit of a new unboxing for you guys here today, so I'm really excited to get into this. But before we get into that, if you are new here, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join the channel, join the family. The goal is to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. We are currently at the 649 mark. Let's just get one more, man. That's my goal for this video. Let's add one new person to the channel. Let's get one more. Let's hit 650 by August 1st, which is tomorrow. Also, since you're here, go ahead, hit that like button. Really helps with the algorithms, helps videos get shown to new people, all of that stuff. And then last but not least, follow my Instagram at anonymous sneakerhead. You get a lot of information posted up there first, like these you would have seen when I got them in this morning. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. Alright, YouTube, so as you can see, before we even get into the unboxing, you can see that similar to the old Nike boxes, New Balance hit us with some of that just rob me situation, you know what I'm saying? Everyone knows that I got a package from New Balance right there on the tape as well. You can see New Balance through and through. But let's get the box out right now. We do have a black box. This is my first New Balance purchase for this channel. This is my first pair of New Balance sneakers that I've owned since I was like, what, 7 or 8 years old when my mom bought me a pair from Payless, you know what I'm saying? But this is a pair that I've been seeing. New pair this year, new silhouette, bunch of new colorways. Really been wanting to get my hands on the pair this year, and I'm happy that I was finally able to get my pair. Shout out to Soul Links on Instagram. That's how I was able to find out these were available. These came out the same day as the University Gold 12s on Foot Locker, and the whole app was just locked up and shut down, so I wasn't able to get my pair. And then the following day, Soul Links let us know about a stock up on the actual New Balance website. So without further ado, I'm going to read the label here. So New Balance tags are a little weird. I worked at DSW for a little bit, so I got to know them. But anyways, we have it's just called a lifestyle, but this is a New Balance 327, so that's how you always know the model right there. With the New Balance, you're going to get your first two letters, and then you're going to get whatever number it is. So here you see the 327. This is a size 12, and we don't get anything about the colorway on here. But let's get into it. New Balance 327. Let's start with this paper. What do we have going on here? We have a bunch of different, not even sure what it says, but some type of New Balance paper right here. And ooh, so this is my first time seeing these in hand, y'all, and man, oh man. So we got the right shoe right here. Let me take out the left one. This paper is kind of nice, man. Yes, sir. Let me throw that over to the side. Woo-hoo. Man, alright, yo, I really love these. Y'all can see them right here. The New Balance 327. Not even sure what this official colorway is called. The lime orange. I saw it listed for just the color. Yo, these are dope. So right away off the top of my head, you know what I'm saying, me being a mostly Nike guy, these remind me of two Nike silhouettes, kind of a little bit of the Daybreak and a little bit of the Air Tailwind. It reminds me of, but obviously it's a New Balance shoe, so it's not supposed to emulate any of those, but it is off the top of my head made to model after. Here's the other shoe too. 3 different New Balance sneakers, and I only know 2 of them off the top of my head. I think it's the 320 and the 355, but it's a combination of all of those shoes to give it that super that new school vintage look, if you guys know what I mean by that. So really dope shoe. Looks like it'll be really comfortable. Obviously, like I said, this is my first time seeing them. Haven't put them on foot yet, so I will be doing an on foot for you guys, but looks like it'll be extremely comfortable. Cushioning feels extremely comfortable. My favorite touch of this shoe, I went ahead for this colorway, was the gum bottom. Honestly, it came out with another one too that was the one I was actually trying to get. It was a blue pair, like a more neutral color, like a dark navy blue, some grays, some black. It had the little pink hit right here. But that was the pair I was originally going for, but they didn't have them in my size 12, and they don't do half sizes, so I wasn't going to get an 11 or a 13. So for a shoe, especially for a shoe that I never wore before. Now, one thing I'm a little nervous about is if you look right here on the shoe, it does look pretty narrow, but I heard people say that it actually feels pretty good on foot. So once again, I'm excited to do the on foot. Wow, man, really love how these look in hand. They're not as loud as they are in the pictures. Now, don't get me wrong, it's a loud shoe with that neon green, that orange right there. But that nice gray, man, look at this suede. Look at how long that suede is, man, right here on the gray patterns as well as the orange. You get a little bit of it on the black right there. Really great quality shoe, great material, man. Can't do better. $90, $89.99 retail. You can't, as Skip Goes Hard would say, you can't beat it with a stick. This is a great pickup, man. Now I know it's a shoe that doesn't have a bunch of hype. I know some colorways are reselling for a lot up on the GoDaddy and StockX, but this is a shoe, man. Like I said, I just wanted for myself something to wear around. Something light, look comfortable. You do get your little New Balance right there. Don't know how well you can see that, but man, super excited for these. I'm gonna go throw these on foot, give you guys the on foot, and then I'll be back to finish off the video. Alright, YouTube, so you got to see these on foot right here. Obviously, you know what I'm saying, with editing, I didn't do the on foot from when you're actually seeing it. You do get some paper on the inside, but yo, just off of looks alone, really dope sneakers. Super excited, really light, actually, now that I took the paper out. Super light. Can't wait to get fits off with it. Wear it around. It's going to be a good shoe for running the stores and all of that. Definitely going to try to get another colorway, something with more black in it, something a little more muted so I can wear it more often. But man, super excited to have it in hand. Just quick little video. Once again, not too much hype behind the shoe. It is also kind of an old silhouette by now. Like I said, there's been a bunch of colorways, but super happy to have my own pair in hand, guys. As you can see right here, the New Balance 327. Not sure what the colorway is. I'm gonna just call this the neon green orange colorway, the lime green orange, whatever. Also, one more touch that I don't think I picked on before. Obviously, you know what I'm saying, New Balance reviews something different, so I'm not sure what to hit on. But man, that N right here, the actual New Balance logo, I love how big and exaggerated it is, taking up the whole side of the shoe. I think that's a really dope touch, and I also like how it's not present on the inside of the shoe. You just get that one right there. But that is it for this video, you guys. Once again, super excited to have these in hand. I am the Anonymous Sneakerhead, y'all. If you are new here, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You get a bunch of videos, bunch of different reviews. Just recently, a couple days ago, posted my whole sneaker collection video. So obviously these aren't in there because I didn't have them then, but I did give you guys an update of my entire sneaker collection. Let me know what you guys think of that right there. One more time, hit that subscribe button to join the channel, join the Anonymous Sneakerhead family. You get a lot of good reviews. You get a lot of different reviews, sneaker talks, top 10s as I pick up shoes. Not sure I got to sit on these. You may get an updated top 10 tomorrow. These, after I put them on foot, you know what I'm saying, and see how they feel, they may end up in that top 10. But that is it for this video, you guys. Like I said, I am the Anonymous Sneakerhead. Since you made it this far as well, go ahead and smash that like button. Helps with the algorithms, helps show the video to new people, bring new people to the channel, all of that stuff, man. And then last but not least, follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You know what I'm saying? You would have seen me post about these already. Super excited to have them. One more time, shout out to Soul Links for giving me the scoop on the pickup. But that is it for this one, you guys. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, and as always, it's all about the sneakers.